guys, welcome to Appalachia's Homestead. We are ready to plant, baby. It's gonna be a beautiful, long, gorgeous weekend and we are ready to plant. We finally came out of blackberry winter. We're gonna show you what we're doing with cattle panels. We've got some videos on this, but we thought we would do an update and show you how easy it is to grow food even in a small place if you know how to grab some cattle panels and put them up. Like your shirt, honey. Show them what you got. Woo, woo, look at the muscles. Woo. Like it. Okay, so we have video after video after video on cattle panels. We love them so much. We even brought them. You've seen that in recent weeks. And we're going to be putting them in the garden. I'm going to be putting them in the middle of the garden. This is the enclosed. You see, I already got a puppy dog laying up there doing her business around the yard, protecting the garden. But we're going to be using cattle panels because this isn't the biggest space on the planet, and we want to grow as much food as we can in different areas on our property as quick as we can. So we're working really hard. So we're going to use these cattle panels right here, and we're going to put them in the middle. We have arched them, and we're not going to do just one. We're going to go all the way down through the middle as far as we can go. Honey, how many do you think we're going to be able to do? 5, 6?
4 or 5, I don't remember.
Okay, well, is that in addition to that one or like 4 more?
Yeah, like 4 more.
I think we can do 4 more too. So that's what we're going to do. The hope, and we're going to show you how to do this. And folks, you do not have to deeply set. Thank you, Sadie. That's what we want you to do over there. You don't have to deeply set the T-posts. We've done that in the past. And they are almost, they're not impossible to get up, but you better be willing to dig, dig, dig. So we just simply sledgehammer them in. It's deep enough to hold these. So let's get these built because it's getting hot outside and we're ready to plant. So in addition to this, in addition to that, we have just cut into this yesterday. We're gonna till it one more time. And I'm anxious to go through it because I haven't yet. I haven't really I just sort of walked it. It hasn't rained yet, but it's going to next week. Because did you see what I found yesterday? Guys, I would give anything if it was a whole piece. I'm gonna go search the area again that I found it because I don't know if we tilled it and it broke or if it was already broke. Is that not a beautiful piece? So be looking, depending on where you are in particular. Your ancestors find you guys, and they're telling you to get with it, get busy, and grow food. Let's go. So are you going to attach this one? Are you going to put in a new T-post? Or you've got this original, we still have to zip tie it. So you're going to, how are you going to how are you saying to do this one?
Just going to butt it right up against it and use new T-posts. We're going to do it like this. We're going to roll it that way, and you're going to stick it in the ground. And that'll be the middle at the top. Okay, so we're not overlapping the T-posts. We're going to do 4 each. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was trying to understand. Okay.
Hold the bottom out to you. Okay. No. Now lay it.
That way?
Yep. Hang on just a second. Okay, hold that in because I don't want it to stab you. Put your end in the ground. Kind of eyeball it to get it started. Okay, that's pretty good, isn't it?
I don't know, I have to look at it.
Go ahead, I got it.
Okay, so I'm holding. So it's very simple. You just literally form the arch and then it will kind of stand there on its own. That's what they do. And then we just bring the T-stakes over. These are 6-foot T-stakes, by the way. I know you're gonna ask. These are 6-footers. And then we just put one end to kind of set up, kind of just pushes up against it. And then from there, you can actually adjust your cattle panels a little bit more this way or that way. And let me tell you, it's not gonna be 100% perfect if you're making it a long tunnel. But by the time you've got green beans or cucumbers or gourds or something like that growing on it, that greenery is going to just totally take it over. So you're not gonna see that anyway. It'll just be a beautiful tunnel. Okay, babe, hammer away. Show those muscles. So like I said, you can use a post driver. We have 2 of them. And if you really want something permanent, that's a good time to use them. But for this, so when this is done and over with, if we want to till again, or if we bring in wood chips, or we decide to move this or something for next year. So this is why we're going this route, because that way it's much easier, like I said before, to take out these stakes. Okay, I moved my finger, there we go. So we're just trying to slide it in as best we can to the next one so there's not a gap. You can also use zip ties, which is what we're going to be using to hold these. So zip ties are amazing on your homestead. Always have a bunch and a backstock because you can use them for just about anything. All right. Sadie, are you gonna, hey Sadie, are you gonna help keep out the deer and the rabbits? Yeah, you look like it. Did I wake you up? Isn't this nice? Okay, so we've got our first one in, second, finishing up the third. And remember, we gotta put all these zip ties in and try to bring this together as much as possible. Right now, we're just trying to keep it from side goggling. Going down towards the tomatoes area. So we're just right now, like I said, T-posts and cattle panels. And then, you just got to watch it bit by bit. I think we're going to have to come in there, baby. Let me come help. Okay. Okay. I know what you're going to say. So just go ahead and say it. Do y'all not know how to run a string? Keep a straight line? Since you have that, what's that ball of twine back there for? That's no fun, people. That's no fun. Okay, so big guy here is simply zip tying across the top so that we know we have it fairly stable as we continue. How tall are you, baby?
I'm about 6 feet tall.
6 feet. 6 feet. Okay. Looking good. Well, it actually could come back a little bit, a hair back towards you, I think. Let's see. But it's not 100% perfect, but I say go with it. We can adjust the other side once you're done. That'd be good. So it's windy and my seeds are blowing everywhere, which I'm going to do a seed video and show you what all I hope to plant. Some of this may not go in the ground, I don't know, but I got sunflowers, there's my corn beads. But what's going on, the trellises up here, the cattle panels, is going to be Missouri Wonders. My point of doing this is not necessarily to eat, but to seed save. I want to see if I can get a large stock, a bigger stock, a newer stock of the Missouri Wonders. That's the hope. Now, I will be eating the dickens out of these because these are my favorite cucumbers ever. And we've been growing them for years. They're delicious. They're an Israeli cucumber. They tend to be very sweet and delicious, and they're not prickly. They're just so yummy. I stand there and eat them. So that's what's going on the cattle panels. The rest is to come, including Cherokee tan pumpkins and North Carolina candy roasters. Those are gonna rock in my new garden. Okay guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. We got 5 in, no problem. We could easily go 3 more. We have 2 cattle panels left. I'm kind of waiting to see what I'm gonna do with those, if I'm gonna use them for tomatoes or peppers. Again, I'm changing things up this year, changing my trellising up, my feeds up. We're at a new place, trying new things. Cora says hello. So we'll see how this goes. We'll keep you posted. I needed one of those like really cute, like burnt wood signs that you can buy in Gatlinburg. And it says welcome, and you can hang it. And it could be at the front of the tunnel. Would that not be adorable? Honey, we gotta get to Gatlinburg. It's just right there. All right, guys, take care. Keep planting. We'll keep you posted. More vids coming. Do. See y'all next video.